Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Afterpay for your purchases at Sam's Club. This step-by-step guide will ensure you make the most of your shopping experience. Let's get started. Step 1 is set up Afterpay account. First, if you haven't already, you will need to set up an Afterpay account. Go to the Afterpay website and click on sign up. At the top right corner you will see the sign up button, and also you will see the login button. Sign up and fill in your personal details and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now, step 2 is download Afterpay app. To make the process smoother, download the Afterpay app on your mobile device. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. This app will be handy for managing your payments and purchases. Step 3 is link Afterpay to Sam's Club. Now open the Afterpay app and search for Sam's Club in the shop directory. Once you find it, you can view and specific terms or conditions related to using Afterpay at Sam's Club. Step 4 is shop at Sam's Club. Head over to the Sam's Club website and start shopping as usual. Add your desired items to the cart. Remember, Afterpay can be used for illegal purchases, so make sure your item is qualified. Step 5 is checkout with Afterpay. Once you are ready to check out, proceed to the payment section. Here you will see the option to use the Afterpay. Select it as your payment method. You may be redirected to Afterpay to finalize the payment plan. Step 6 is review payment plan. After selecting Afterpay, review your payment plan. You will see the total amount divided into 4 equal installments due every 2 weeks. Ensure everything looks good and confirm your payment. Now, step 7 is complete purchase. Once you have confirmed the payment plan, complete the purchase. You should have received a confirmation email from both Sam's Club and Afterpay with all the details of your order. And that's it. You have successfully used Afterpay at Sam's Club. This convenient payment option helps you manage your budget while enjoying your shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Remember to keep track of your payment schedule in the Afterpay app to avoid any late fees. See you next time.